It's Antonio Clay, man. This is my place of business right here, my workshop. You know what I'm saying? You know how I do it. It's a heavy duty crane right here, crane and stuff like that. My equipment be over here. All my cranes and dollies, my buffalo safe right here. Couple tools on the wall. You can kind of see what's in there. Based on what it looked like on film, pretty much you see what you get. You know, it really is just much equipment in for real though. I really do got that much equipment in for real. You see none of the reviews on the post. It's still in here. It's in here. It's some of my bikes and stuff though. This one I got this one I'm gonna rock today. I'm thinking this one. That's the Lady K right here. Still got Lady K, it about semi-perm, kind of, you know what I'm saying? Had to get a shot. I got some ammo for it, you know, too, though. It still shoot, though, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, this one I'm rocking today, though, it's a Rocky, this one I think is a Rocky, but that's my other one in the safe, right here. I'm rocking this one today. Now this one, somebody, you know what I'm saying? Somebody, you know how people is. Some people are. I'm just gonna take this out the case. Shit head. Yeah, this one I'm rocking today though. I got a bullet in the safety still on it though. Of course, I keep some bullets on. I still got some ammo left, you know what I'm saying? Max taking this one. But I want to show you this one. This is the one I'm rocking today. This was the Lady K that I still got this one. That still should have got ammo to that one. That clip. But this is the one I'm rocking today. This is a Rocky. I'm gonna take the clip right here with it. This one right here still fully loaded. I got this clip already loaded all the way up on this one. Take it out the safe. You see I got this. That's one of my sprocket kits right now. There's my other sprocket kit right here. You know what I'm saying? Adjustable. And shit like that. Yeah, I keep the victory ammo. I don't think every time these sprockets go to that. Those may have to do this. Both of those have to do though. Cranks and stuff like that. But this is my work table right here though. These ones I got left though. I have the whole bunch. But with the exception of this one here, the Game on Bone Collector. My Game on Bone Collector. It still pushing though. At a while, but you know, kinda need another Greek gun though. Need shoes. I'm at T-Rex cup of water and stuff, so water key. But man, they my other toolbox right here. Remember the first one I had? I have a lot of toolboxes and shit though. See, keep some toolboxes. That's my red one I showed you the first time. You know, was you hear every time I green and tech light pad. You paint me a bit orange. Green and tech light pad. You got that light pad. Clay got that light. Clay got that light pad on the hill. Right back, I got that. Miss it, nigga hate me. Nigga miss me, Nigga miss it, Anyway, yeah. See, I brought this back. I'm leaving this home today. Leaving this home today. That's my. You see this right here? Those loppers, yeah. I killed a snake in one of those one time. I'm trying to find one right. What the hell? This snake right here. I'm supposed to kill one with that one too, right? He told me that he was not no damn king snake. But if you got something to kill it with, if you got something to kill it, a damn hoe, I got a garden hoe in here somewhere. That damn garden hoe kill that bitch though. I got a garden hoe in here somewhere that'll kill that bitch though for real. I know I do. That garden hoe will kill his ass though. So it's somewhere. But anyway, these are one I got. If you can like vote on right now on which one I should bring out today. Now they kind of slow. They are tools to hell. I really don't want to take too much risk, cause, you know, so for my ammo, niggas really don't roll around on Tuesday. Yeah, when they be watching hell, you know what I'm saying? So goddamn much. So I'm thinking about, these are Apollo slow, yeah, Apollo slow. One of my 9mm bullet right there. Yeah, one of my 9mm bullet right here, you know, I bust them bitches. I have money on my fridge right around. I don't know, it probably gonna be a 22. I'm thinking it's gonna be a 22, my last one. I ain't one shot, yeah. I had one shot, 22. Yeah. It might be this bit right here. I might have to really go to 8mm. Well, it might be that damn 8mm. I have to read. They got that 8mm out here. One shot. Roll around that bit. But now it should be. It's gonna be that at 22 of the damn 8mm. One shot. I'm guessing for real though. That's what I got. Like this is my little small workshop. Okay, you see stuff out here. Pool balls and stuff like that. I'm supposed to be ordering a table, to put in here, my ladder, my, Louis V ladder. I keep stuff like that. My dolly, that's one of my dolly, heavy duty dolly, you see right here. That's my heavy duty dolly. I got another dolly and so that's a small dolly, it's on the wall. My wacky dolly, it folds out like that. You got all stuff on that too. Now this one, my big dolly, my flat dolly right here. I pick up weight and shit. That's a dolly to this bike. This right here's a dolly. This wheelbarrow. Yeah. But this right here is the heavy duty dolly right here. So you check the tires out on here. Wheel tire like that, like the skateboard tire. Everything had to do. I was doing a job for Shell the other day. She had some heavy ass shit over there. But I put on there. Cut it in half. Cut it more than half, really. One of my shovels right here. Yep. And my chainsaw, still got my chainsaw. I gotta gas it up and shit like that. So I don't know. I don't know if I don't want to play too conservative today, but I don't want to be like, you know what I'm saying? Like a damn tyrant another day though. Hey, to see anybody here. I'm supposed to be having a grill coming in today. Antoine might be working today. He might be out here cutting today, so I think my mom was telling me something. I heard my mom what's her name? Miss Brown the other day. Her birthday when I was washing clothes. I was like, It cost me her name cost me. Don't know though. Really. Can't never tell. But hey, I'm thinking I'm gonna go out with this one though today. Okay, this one here. I just shot this one a few minutes ago, yeah. Trying to see what was going on with that. Like, yeah, it's a nice gun and everything. Like, but people, people kind of funny though these days. Gotta be careful, man. They be making hits out here too. They can't tell you anything. Gotta do anything. Be such a hand, boy. These police boy around here ain't shit. Can't do anything to get these bitches out your hand when you gotta load it. When you ain't, like bitches ain't for real though. You take one of them bitches out before they get rolled up on them for real, that bitch. Be for a whole lot of shit, but you know what I'm gonna do next time. You're a dumb man, cause I told you not to try me that shit last time. And you did try me it again. They got me on here buying all the euros over here behind that nigga. Trying to stay around you, dumb man now. Yeah. So I can sit out here around you, man. After they be out here fucking this shit out you, but it's all good though. I told you not to play with me though. I told you. Man, fucking mouth to me. But this one right here, this one I got right here, this was the one I bought online. Like, this was the other jacket. See, it goes out like that. It pulls out like that. So once you put like it locks in place, like kind of like you can use it like a club or something like that. Kinda, yeah. You would like kind of like a what they call it, a billy or something like that. But yeah, you would hook these on. So these are the two. Goes to this one, to this tool right here, and this was the heavy duty crank right here. Yeah. But shit, man. So man, I'm rolling on about 10 minutes right now. Early in the morning like that, man. You know what I'm saying? And then try to post Harley Quinn, you know what we doing? Harley Quinn. I had a lot of other pictures. So I keep like pictures and stuff like that. These models and stuff like that. I really like the little bitches. Even though they be dogging me out. But keep certain bitches. You know what I'm saying? This was on the station. They don't got wet. See, it was a storm over here. They shot here. One name working in the store. You know what I'm talking about? Shanita. Working on Pickle Wicked. Shanita working in Pickle Wicked. She wanted to give me some iron too. For real. There's the other right here, other girl here. That was that girl that come through all the time. I used to fuck the shit out of her. Over there in Mexico. Yeah. She came through. Tony too. Tony was fucking the shit out of her too. I got him fucking her. I got him. I started fucking her too. Yeah. But hey. Well, no, about 5 minutes. Shit, we need, I need to goddamn real, cause I can't roll over 15 minutes. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Shit, and I'm my Anna's not gonna give me. I don't know if I can access her account or not. Yeah, it's so early in the week. I'm gonna clear to verify if I roll over 15 minutes. Then my stuff like this stuff. So I would, if I had enough time, I would crank my I would plug my. See, I got to crank. Yeah. I would crank my crane up, but yeah, somebody had to tell I stole my goddamn crank switch to it. So my crane, so I got to plug that bitch up for it to work. So yeah. So my little refrigerator had ready. I think it worked though. It was really. I heard you had to plug like 2 damn switches up or something. I had to plug 2 switches up, yeah, to work. It's a little one of them little semi-permanent refrigerator with something big hole, like about 6 holes in it. I gotta find them plugs. I got them plugs in somewhere. These are the back hood I go now. These supposed to be DC power generator. Yeah. That's a real goddamn refrigerator though. You see, they gotta put the coolant. You gotta put that side. You gotta put the AC adapter in it. And you gotta plug that damn 2-volt DC. For it to hit, because the kid got cold out over here, yeah. I'm rolling on about 13 minutes, man. I need to hurry up and go. I got my bag right here. Okay. Yeah. This right here, 10, man. 4, 10, 2, 10, 10, 2. And I don't know. Anyway, this is what I'm rolling with today. I'm about to put them back in the safe. I'm about to throw these back in my safes and stuff like that. Get the hell out. Yeah, no, man, for a day. I already done laid my shot for the day here. Really? I don't know. Once the damn shot been laid, you know what I'm saying? It really ain't nothing to say about that. Keep a goddamn extra shot on you. Keep it filled with a shot. Oh, yeah, I just locked my key back in my safe. Oh, man. Let me see if I can lock it. Yeah, I'm going 15 minutes. 15 minutes. That damn woman about to go crazy. And I got my keys out my safe, but these are my keys to one of my safes.